हरे कृष्णा, जय श्री गुरुदेव। So we were hearing about the bhajan rahasya, discussing about that. So we were hearing about from the Shraddha to Asakti. So in the same, how much the sadhak will do Harinam, so in the same variation her heart will be pure.
और उस समय भगवान के निकट यदि आपने इस तरह के
At that time, before his, he will very humbly pray before the Bhagwan, his Ishtadev. हे प्रभु,
हमने आपकी धारण के हे प्रभु हमने आपकी धारण की हुई माला,
so we have taken which is offered to you, we have taken which is offered to you, the garlands, ornaments and everything which is offered to you, we have taken that.
इस आपकी जुटन खाने वाली सेवा में इससे हम आपकी माया पर अवश्य ही विजय प्राप्त
So we are just like a servant who is taking your uchist, so that's why you will mercy upon the sadhak and we will victory upon the maya.
आपके सहयोग का श्री राधादास को प्राप्त लोकयुक्त साधक का परिचय श्रीमद् भागवत में दिया गया.
So it is introduction given in the Srimad Bhagavatam of the Radhadas accepted sadhak, who has accepted the Radhadas Lakshya. So the person who is before, who is not serving the Krishna and they are enjoying their senses gratification, so they are always engage their mind in these kinds of things. If they think, if they perform these all activities in the service of God or hearing the Bhagavad, so all the things as auspiciousness will come to them. So which is offered, the things which is offered to Krishna like garland, ornaments, cloths. So if they have greed like this towards these things, so after taking that uchist, so he will be tied in the round of birth and death, repetition of birth and death. So in this shloka, Bhagwan is saying
उद्धव को बोल रहे हैं
saying to Uddhav
एकादश स्कंध में
in the 11th canto,
पहला अध्याय
6th chapter,
46 नंबर
46th shloka, Bhagwan is saying to Uddhav,
तयो को भुक्त श्रव गंध वासु अलंकार चर्चिता उच्छिष्ट भजनो दासास्तवो माया जयमहि महाप्रसाद की अवज्ञा नहीं करना
we should never neglect Mahaprasad. We have heard this katha already last days.
ये माया को जय करने के लिए
If we want to victory upon the Maya,
भगवत निवेदित यानी भगवत उच्छिष्ट
so
सार को ग्रहण करना
we should accept all the things which is offered to Bhagwan, the food stuff, the Mahaprasad.
जो भी करे सब भगवान
Whatever you do, always do. Whatever you perform, just offer to Bhagwan everything.
गीता में भगवान
In the Gita, Bhagwan says, Yat Karoshi Yajanasti
जब तपस्वी पंचो तत्पुरुष मत
Arpanam.
जो भी तुम करोगे
So whatever you are doing,
हवन आदि जो कुछ भी
if you are
करोगे,
doing the five sacrifice and everything,
अंत में मुझे ही
so at least you have to offer to me that.
इदं सर्वं सर्वं विष्णु समर्पये
Idam all karma. You have to surrender. You have to offer everything to Bhagwan.
जीव कभी माया के द्वारा बंधन नहीं
So that by performing these activities or these kinds of performing work, you will not be tied in the repetition of birth and death.
देने के लिए भगवान
So you have to give up all kinds of fruits of karma.
कहाँ पर त्याग क्या करें ना भगवान को ही करो।
So how you can to give up all the karmas, fruits? You have to offer everything to Bhagwan. Whatever you are eating, whatever you are eating, whatever you are doing, always.
अभी लोगों ने परिक्रमण किए नहीं।
मैं कैसे करूँ आपके फिर हमें सहन नहीं हुआ तो चला है वो लोग सब लोग बोल रहे हैं बोले बर्मा क्यों नहीं लाए बोले गाड़ी में कितना से लाएंगे तो सब लोग आके उठा के तो वचन में चाहिए बर्मा का सब दोनों के बाद सब
भागवत उच्छिष्ट प्रसाद
So the remnants which is offered to Bhagwan, the things which is offered to Bhagwan, it is said in the Chaitanya Charitamrita.
भक्त भक्त से ये
तीन साधारण बल
तीन हरि के प्रेमा है सर्वशास्त्रे उपाधि भक्त पद जल
Bhakta Pad Jal.
के चरण धोते
So the water from the feet of Bhakta, Bhakta Pad Dhuli, the dust of devotees, and whenever devotees take the prasad after the remnants they left, so we should always accept that.
चरण धूलि ग्रहण करने से
If we accept these things, so that we will get power in our bhakti.
कहते हैं भक्त पद धूलि यार भक्त पद जल
Bhakta Bhakta
भक्त
Shri
भक्त से तीन साधने ये तीन हुई के प्रेमा है सर्वशास्त्री पुकार विश्वास करिए भाई जिन्हें करब सेवक
Oh my bhai, oh my brother, you have to take these three things from faith. You have to take these all things, three things, very firm faithfully. Like in this context, so I just tell you one story about.
एक राजा था
There was a king.
वो राजा
That king,
क्या करता था
what he did every day,
साधु सेवा करते
he used to serve
क्या
sadhus.
करते थे?
Sadhus. He used to do serve sadhus.
फिर शास्त्र में कहा गया
It is mentioned in the scripture.
संत महात्मा की सेवा करनी चाहिए।
So we should always serve these saintly persons.
वो संत एक प्रथम सेवा करते हैं।
That king always used to serve sadhus.
कम से कम हर रोज
Every day at least
250
two, 200 or 250 he feed all these Sant Mahatmas.
क्या करते थे?
So what that Sant Mahatma used to do?
में जो है संत महात्मा की क्या करते थे? परिवेशन करते थे।
So he used to do permission with himself, that king.
राजा होते हुए
He was, being a king, still he was doing permission. And he was feeding himself when all the Sant Mahatmas seated in the row. So that king himself used to do permission there.
और फिर जब संत महात्मा जब
And then
प्रसाद जब ले लेते थे,
Sant Mahatma taking the prasad.
महात्मा के पास जाकर के अफसर दीन होकर के
So he used to go to every Sant Mahatma equally, one by one.
उचिष्ट प्रसाद
And he used to take the Uchit Prasad very humbly.
और संत महात्मा
And that Sant Mahatma,
देकर के
seeing that humbleness of that king, they used to give their remnants to him.
इस प्रकार
In this way, many days
संत महात्मा की
he served. He used to take the remnants of Sant Mahatma. He was serving and taking the remnants of Sant Mahatma.
इसको देख करके
Seeing that, in the background,
देवी
Lakshmi Devi
नारायण के कहने लगी,
told to Narayan, "Hey, look Narayan,
राजा कैसे
this Raja, this king,
संत महात्मा के प्रति
he has so much affection towards the Sant Mahatma. Every day he used to feed them, he used to feed himself,
और संत महात्मा के उचिष्ट प्रसाद
and he used to take the remnants of Sant Mahatma.
इसमें संत महात्मा के आप वैष्णव क्यों नहीं लेकर जा?
Then why are you not taking this Sant Mahatma?
तो शास्त्र में अपने कहा गया
It is said in their scriptures,
भगवान की उचिष्ट है, भगवान के ग्रहण करके रहते हैं,
so whatever the Bhagwan taking and the remnants Bhagwan left,
उचिष्ट है, भगवान प्रसाद का।
this is called the Uchisht Mahaprasad.
संत महात्मा जो वही प्रसाद को जब ग्रहण करेंगे,
And when Sant Mahatma take Mahaprasad,
महाप्रसाद
Mahaprasad, when after that, after Thakurji, when Sant Mahatma take this, so which is called, then they left, this is called Mahaprasad.
इतने दिन तक आप संत महात्मा के आपके संत महात्मा के केवल
Raja,
भक्तों की सेवा की
he has served that king has served your servants, your bhaktas.
और सब ठीक चल रहा है।
Maharaji, Dandvat Pranam.
कितने लोग हैं?
How many people? Narsingh Maharaj has arrived here, so he is discussing about to him. So now we come back to the Katha.
ये आप
No.
हाँ क्या बोले?
वो लक्ष्मी देवी बोल रही थी कि वो संतों की सेवा कर रहे हैं.
इसलिए संत महात्मा की सेवा किया उसी
That king is serving to the Sant Mahatma, so please take him into background. Why don't you take him in the background?
अपने प्रसाद और महाप्रसाद के जो महिमा स्वयं अपराध
Because you have said the Mahima or the Prasad or Mahaprasad by your mouth, by your tongue.
तीर्थ जल पवित्र गुणे वही आपके पुराण है। पुराण में जो तीर्थ जल की महिमा कहा गया
So you have told that
है,
in the Puran you have told the glorification.
ये केवल
तीर्थ जल.
दिखाने के लिए।
So it's just for the showing to the world, the people.
तो वास्तव
But actually,
वैष्णव की जो पदधूत जल
so the Padajul Jal or the feet or the water of Vaishnava and the dust is its glory is so much highest. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying in the Kirtan. So if somebody takes the water from the Vaishnava feet,
तीर्थ जल के साथ आप समान नहीं कर
it is not equal to, you cannot compare it to the Tirth Jala, Tirth
सकते।
water.
गंगा की जल गंगा तो भगवान के चरण
Ganga is swam coming from the feet of Bhagwan.
गंगा में स्नान करने के पश्चात क्या
If
होता
you
है?
take bath in the Ganga, so you will be pious.
गंगा में स्नान नहीं करोगे
Until you won't take water bath in the Ganga, you will not be pious.
फिर पहले गंगा का भरोसा मिले पश्चात ही पावन।
So you will be pious when you take the bath in the Ganga. But if you take the darshan of Vaishnava, you will be pious spontaneously, automatically. So who is the higher? So that's why Vaishnava is Shrestha. Shuddha Vaishnava Bhakta is Shrestha, is higher.
शास्त्र में अनेकों जो
In the scriptures, Vaishnavas praised everywhere.
ये तीर्थ जल अपेक्षा से समस्त श्रेष्ठ क्या है?
Which is the topmost? Vaishnav feeds water.
भगवद्गीता भगवता तीर्थभूता स्वयं प्रभु तीर्थ कुर्वन्ति तीर्थानि शांतस्तेन गदाभृत गदाभृत श्री हरि के हृदय में धारण करने वाले संत महात्मा
The saintly person who always the Hari always reside in their heart. So they goes to the tirtha. So they always pious the tirtha.
असत लोग पापी लोग
When the asat, the papi, the dush, sinful people, so he goes to tirtha, they pious himself.
पाप को वहीं पर
When they
छोड़ देते हैं
clean their pious, so that tirtha become
मलिन हो जाता है
dirty, that become the sinful. So when the Vaishnav, the devotee of Lords, used to go in the tirth, or when they take water in that, so what happens? That water, that rivers will be pious. This is the glorification of Vaishnavas.
तीर्थ से भी
So
तीर्थ कौन हो गया?
they are the greater than the tirtha.
भगवद्गीता भगवता तीर्थभूता स्वयं प्रभु तीर्थ कुर्वन्ति तीर्थानि शांतस्तेन गदाभृत भगवान के नाम है गदाभृत
Bhagwan's name is Gadabhrib. Gada ko dharan
महाराज
करते
के पुत्र था उसके नाम गद था
Vasudev Maharaj's son was, whose name was Gad.
इसलिए उसके नाम का है कृष्ण का है गदाग्रज
That's why his name is called Gadagraj. That's why it is called Gadagraj.
गद के अग्रज होने से नाते है उसके गदाग्रज का
Gad means Gadagraj. He is called Gadagraj. Vasudev's sons. Bhagwan. This is the name of Bhagwan.
और गदाभृत
Gadadraj.
भगवान के ही चरण कमल के हृदय में धारण करने वाली संत महात्मा क्या करते?
So who always recite the Gadadhar in their heart. That's why they always clean the pious the tirthas. Tumhare hriday sada Vaishnava Sham. So always Bhagwan always take that place in the heart of the devotees.
भगवान कर्मी ज्ञानी जोगी
Karmi Gyani Yogi, many peoples,
हृदय में विश्राम
Bhagwan never take the rest in the heart of these people. Bhagwan always take the rest in the Bhakta hearts.
क्यों?
Why?
कर्मी ज्ञानी जोगी केवल
Because Karmi Gyani Yoni and they thinks because they are doing everything for the selfishness, for themselves, for the artha, dharma, artha, kam, moksha. And what Bhakt does? What he want?
धर्म अर्थ को काम और मोक्ष भी नहीं मानते
He doesn't want anything like dharma, artha, kam, moksha. What they do before the Bhagwan, hey Prabhu, if you want to give something,
कृष्ण प्रेम
so please Pancham Purushat, give us the Krishna Prem.
सेवा मुझे
So we would like to serve your lotus feet. We want this only.
और बाकी लोग जो है
And other people's
भक्त छोड़ करके
accept Bhagwan Bhakta, what they want. They are
देहिमान
Dehimam. They always ask. They'll always so many things like and give us sons, give us money,
संसार की वस्तु
give us all the material things what we want.
भगवान का से
That's why Bhagwan is saying,
कृष्ण कहे अमा भजे मागे विषय सो
Krishna Sayama Bhagya Maji Vishwekso.
कोई मुर्गे विषय का दिव सचनम मत दिया तारे विषय बुलाए कृष्ण कहते हैं कैसे मूर्ख
How the people they are asking for the material things.
भजन करता है
They are performing bhajan of mind, but is still asking for the material things. They are foolish. I am the all knower. I know everything.
मैं ये विषय क्यों दूं
So why should I give him this material things?
अपने बेटा के कहे बेटा
A mother
हाथ से जहर पी लो
cannot give the poison to their son. So mother can give it? No, it's not possible.
हैं? वो तो एक पुतना माँ बन करके आई थी
So there was a lady, Putna came, become a mother, and she put Kalkut poison on her breast, and she was feeding to Krishna. She tried to feeding Krishna. What Govind did that time?
उसको सदगति
So he gave them the salvation, the higher stage, higher gati. That's why it is saying Ahostan Kalkutam Vakiyam. So the katha we were talking about.
लक्ष्मी देवी
When Lakshmi Devi
पति नारायण की कहने
told to
लगी,
Narayan, Hey Narayan,
हे प्रभु
Hey Prabhu,
ऐसे के परम भक्त
these all are your very nice devotees.
और आपके संत महात्मा सेवा करते हैं।
and that king is serving all the Sant Mahatma, and he is taking the remnants of the Mahatma Sant.
उसके वैकुंठ में क्यों नहीं
So
लेकर
why are you not taking him into the back ends? Please take him into the back end.
ऐसे राजा की दीनता देख करके
Seeing the humbleness of that king, seeing the humbleness of that king, Lakshmi ji is saying that my heart is going melted. It's melted.
अधिकारी हैं, ऐसे राजा की दीनता
Seeing the humbleness of that king, my heart is melting.
आप
Why are you not taking him at Vaikunt? Please take him in the Vaikunt.
उस समय
At that time,
भगवान नारायण ने कहा, देखो,
Bhagwan said, "Hey Narayan said,
भजन ये नहीं हुआ,
mature. His bhajan is not mature now. That's why I cannot take him into the Vaikunt. He is immature. His bhajan is immature.
क्यों?
Why?
भगवान देखो लेते हैं कि कितने विश्वास के साथ लेते हैं।
So they are taking the remnants. What kind of faith they have? We should always think about that.
विश्वास करिए भाई, करो इतने सेवन।
So he is taking the remnants very humbly, but he doesn't have the firm faith. भक्त पद धूलि और भक्त भक्त शेष ये तीन साधारण बल.
इतने को कैसे लेना चाहिए?
How with firm faith.
अत्यंत श्रद्धा के साथ।
With
विश्वास करिए भाई, करो इतने सेवन। है लक्ष्मी जी ठंड पड़ी, तो ऐसी कैसे हो सकता?
So now Lakshmi they said, how it is possible? He is taking the remnants, but still he is so much humbleness, and he is feeding to the Sant Mahatma with by his hand. He is doing the permission.
और अपने हाथ से संत महात्मा के पास जाकर एक एक संत
He is going one by one Sant and taking the remnants of them.
आप कह रहे हैं अभी तो बच्चा है।
Now you saying he is immature. He is not. His bhajan is not, mature.
ये कैसे?
How is it possible?
परीक्षा लेना है।
So we would like to take a test. Okay.
देखो
So what happened
तो उस समय क्या की?
at the time?
लक्ष्मी देवी जो है,
So Lakshmi Devi herself,
एक संत महात्मा के रूप में
she took a form of Sant Mahatma,
उसके पास आ गए।
and she went to that king.
के पास आए। वो संत महात्मा कैसे?
And that Sant Mahatma he was just like a leprosy. He has leprosy on her body, his body, just like somebody had leprosy on the bodies.
हाथ कर लिया, खून निकाल लिया।
Sometimes blood is coming on the leprosy, you know well.
राजा भी संत महात्मा का आदर करके
So that king always, pay the respect to that Sant Mahatma. He incited that Sant Mahatma in the row, and please, hey, Sant Mahatma, please come and take the prasad.
राजा बहुत दीनहीन हो करके
Raja was praying very humbly.
दीनहीन हो करके तो संत महात्मा को क्या की?
He give the place.
आसन दिया,
He give the asan to the Sant Mahatma,
उनके भी प्रसाद भी दिया।
and he feed the prasad to him,
और महाराज
as usually he every day he used to do.
संत महात्मा की सेवा भी करते ना।
So he did that in the same way.
और संत महात्मा जब प्रसाद मिल गया,
And when all the Sant Mahatma taking the prasad,
संत महात्मा के पास जाके
so he was going to every Sant Mahatma one by one and was taking the remnants of them.
महाराज प्रसाद भी दिया अपने अच्छे से। अभी जो
When he came to the leprosy valley, so now he came to before the leprosy Mahatma.
एक कुछ संत महात्मा की कैसे हम
So how I can do the prasad from that leprosy person, that leprosy sant. So he was thinking like that, but still it's a rule. So that's why,
सब संत महात्मा से लेने
because he was taking the remnants of the Sant Mahatma, so that's why he went to him and asked him to please give me the prasad.
संत महाराज
Then Sant Mahatma gave the remnants to him.
संत महात्मा के हाथ में प्रसाद देने से फिर उसके राजा भी क्या करें?
So Sant Mahatma was looking that what is that king is going to do with the remnants, because he has leprosy in the whole body, so there was a little bit blood. He has taken the Mahaprasad.
मानकर उससे ले लिया।
He has taken the Mahaprasad, but now
अभी ग्रहण कैसे करें?
how he can take that, accept it?
इसलिए उन्होंने क्या की?
So what he do?
उस प्रसाद को लेकर के कहाँ की?
Thank diya. So he took the prasad and throw on the dustbin, garbage.
और देखते देखते कहाँ
And then seeing that, what happened?
कुत्ते आ करके
There was some dogs came and then they were licking that prasad. They were eating that Mahaprasad in the dustbin.
और देख करके
And seeing that,
संत महात्मा की पता
that
लगा
Sant Mahatma
कहने लगे वो
Sant Mahatma came to know, oh, he is to throw the prasad. So they said, hey foolish person, so you are externally pretending that very humbleness.
महाराज आप अपने उचित
Please give me your Uchis Prasad. And then you were saying like this, and you took the Mahaprasad and you throw it on the dustbin.
कुत्ते के खिला के मार
So you have feed that Mahaprasad to the dog.
कुत्ते हो गए जहाँ
Go, you will be the dog in next birth. They are giving the curse to them,
अभी
curse
क्या
to that
करें?
king. Now what to do?
संत महात्मा के चरण पकड़ करके रोने
And
लगे
that king was crying in the feet of Mahatma. He said, I am Badaji, please forgive me. So seeing that you in the leprosy body, so I took the body, but I was not able to eat that.
विकार हो गया
I had some vikar in my body, in my mind.
मन विकार होने के नाते आपके उचित प्रसाद
So I had some vikar in my. That's why I was unable to take your Mahaprasad.
है मुझे क्षमा कर
Please forgive me.
संत महात्मा कहने लगे
Sant Mahatma said,
तुमको और क्या कर दिया उजाड़ दिया कुत्ते
every day I used to do. Sant Mahatma said, now you become the dog.
अरे संत महात्मा के उचित प्रसाद देखो कुत्ते कैसे
Look,
हैं
the Mahaprasad that dogs are eating very nicely, with very firm faith, but you have thrown that into the dustbin.
संत राजा बार बार संत महात्मा
The king again and again, and he was crying that on the feet of Sant Mahatma, please forgive me, forgive me. That Mahatma said,
जो कुकुर जड़ी कुत्ते जड़ी
so you will get the body of dog, but now what to do?
कलियुग में
In the Kali Yuga,
स्वयं भगवान
Bhagwan Narayan,
गौर के रूप में आए माने
he will take the form of Gaur Narayan, Gaurachandra.
और उनके उच्छिष्ट प्रसाद ग्रहण
So
करने से
taking the remnants of them,
कुत्ते जड़ी से मुक्त
so you will be liberated from this dog only, and at least you will get the award of mine.
वही जो राजा जो है
That king,
फिर क्या हो गया जन्म में कुत्ता हो गया
so he became the dog
जिस
in
प्रसंग
this next birth. So in this context, Krishnadas Goswami is describing
जब
when
शिवानंद से
Shivananda Sen,
जातियों को लेकर के नवदीवाली जाति
when he was taking all the Navdivasi, he used to go
जगन्नाथ
to Jagannath, Shivananda Sen.
आज
He used to take all the devotees and he arranged everything and the prasad for the devotees who was going to Jagannath. He was taking care of them.
नित्यानंद प्रभु चलते थे
And Nityanand used to go with them, with Shivanand Prabhu. Nityanand Prabhu is, he is known well, everything. So Shivanand was arranging everything for him, for the devotees.
और उनके खाना पीना की व्यवस्था खाने पीने की सब
So he was arranging everything for prasad and food and everything.
कभी
Sometimes it is late. So Nityanand Prabhu, Shivanand go. So Nityanand Prabhu used to scold to Shivanand Prabhu. It is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. It is some delay in that case.
शिवानंद से
So what happened? Shivanand Sadev he was never disrespected towards Nityanand Prabhu. So what happened?
एक दिन चलते थे देखा कि एक कुत्ता जो है उनके साथ में चल रहा था
One day what he saw that there was a dog who was walking with him.
कुत्ते चलने लगे
The dog saw
शिवानंद सेन किया कि
what Shivanand said
उस
did.
कुत्ते के लेकर के चले
He was carrying the dog with him.
और शिवानंद से नित्य प्रत्यह जो है कुत्ते की प्रसाद भी ग्रहण करते
And Shivanand always used to feed that dog too.
एक यह तक भी जहाँ पर
Even
नदी पार करना है
whenever they cross the rivers,
नाव वाला कुत्ता को नहीं देते
so Navara doesn't take the dogs in the boat, but still he pray
नाव में होता है
in the Bengal.
नाव वाला कुत्ते के नहीं देंगे
The boatman will not carry the dogs in the boat.
उस समय
So at that time
कुत्ता को अपवित्र मानते थे
the dogs were very impious.
तो शिवानंद सेन क्या करते थे
So what Shivanand Sen used to do, they used to give extra money.
एक रुपया वो
If the yasri is 1 rupees cost, so he used to give the 10 rupees for the dogs, 10 10 times.
तब वो नाव वाला
Then that boatman used to carry and cross the river,
उसका भी सबके साथ चलने लगा।
and that dog is used to go with everybody.
एक दिन
And what happened?
शिवानंद से
Shivanand Singh,
यात्रियों को संरक्षण करने के लिए
so he was taking care or arranging all the devotees,
व्यस्त रहेगा।
so he was some little bit busy. So he told to his sevak, the servant,
मेरा आपका
look,
आनंद देव हो जाए।
so I will be late in the night,
कुत्ते के जुनून
so you have to feed that dog. Do not forget.
क्योंकि उस दिन
But what happened?
वो कुत्ता जो है
The
एक
dog,
शिवानंद के
that
सेवक
Shivanand servant,
जो सेवक था थोड़ा भूल गया
he has forgotten
क्योंकि वो
to feed the dog.
नहीं किया ना।
He didn't give the prasad to that dog.
और शिवानंद से
And then Shivanand Singh,
देर में जब पहुंचे
when he got delayed and came late,
सब
in the
यात्री
night,
लोग खा पी के सो गए।
so all the passengers, all the devotees took the food and they slept.
शिवानंद सेन अपने सेवक से पूछा
And Shivanand Singh asked to his servant,
कुत्ते को तुमने खिलाया
did you
नहीं?
feed the dog?
शिवानंद के सेवक कहने लगे,
Shivanand servant said, oh, I have forgotten.
"अरे कुत्ता कहाँ है देखो?"
So he said that where is the dog?
हैं?
Find out.
कुत्ता हमारे साथ में चल रहे
The dog which was walking with us, so where is that now?
कुत्ता कहाँ है? देखा तो कुत्ता कहीं नहीं है।
So he saw everywhere, but dog was not nowhere.
कुत्ता कहाँ अंदर ध्यान हो गया, कहाँ चले गए पता ही
So the
नहीं।
dog disappeared where nobody knows.
शिवानंद सेन सेवक के प्रति तो
Shivanand,
बोला,
was very cruel, but he was so much angry on that servants. But he has so much pain in his heart, that because that dog was walking with us,
और कुत्ता कहाँ चले गए?
and now where he has disappeared,
और
nobody
मैंने
knows.
कुत्ते के लिए मैंने कितने पैसा भी खर्च
So I
किया,
have spent lots of money for that dog,
और कुत्ता कहाँ चला?
and now where is he? Nobody knows.
शिवानंद सेन के मन की बहुत सुख
So Shivanand feels so much giddiness. He was so pain in his heart.
नवदीप एक केवल जगन्नाथपुरी में जब पहुंचे,
When he went to Jagannath Puri,
हम लोग पहले क्या करते थे?
all the Bhakt Log, what he used to do pehle, first they used to take the darshan of Mahaprabhu, and after that they used to go to Jagannath.
हैं? किंतु महाप्रभु बोले नहीं जाओ जगन्नाथ।
Then Mahaprabhu used to go and take the darshan of Jagannath, and Bhakt Log, no, we have to take your darshan first.
हैं? आश्रम के- तो
So
महाप्रभु के पास गए,
when they went to Mahaprabhu, Shivanand Sen and all the devotees went to Mahaprabhu. They did the Danvat Pranam to Mahaprabhu
महाप्रभु के दर्शन के बाद
and take the darshan. After taking the darshan of Mahaprabhu, they will go to Jagannath for taking the darshan of Jagannath.
तो आश्चर्य की बात
But
है,
the astonishing what Shivanand said, all the devotees,
वो कुत्ता महाप्रभु के पास पहुंच गए।
that dog was with the Mahaprabhu when he was sitting with the Mahaprabhu
प्रसाद ग्रहण कर।
and he was taking the prasad,
महाप्रभु
and Mahaprabhu himself,
ये नारियल प्रसाद है ना?
the Narayal prasad,
हैं?
that
महाप्रभु स्वयं को
Mahaprabhu himself in the mention in the Chaitanya Charitamrita.
महाप्रभु नारियल प्रसाद
So Mahaprabhu himself he was taking the Mahaprasad and giving his diamond to that dog,
ऐसे लपक लपक
and
करके
that dog was catching that Mahaprasad.
महाप्रभु मानव पुत्र के साथ
So Mahaprabhu is just playing like with the dog, and he was giving his remnants to that dog, and he was throwing it in the air, and dogs were catching them and eating that.
इसके बाद
And after that, what happened? That dogs was disappeared. He went to Govinda Murari Lal ki jai.
महाप्रभु के प्रसाद
So Mahaprabhu's remnants, this is the fruit, Vaikunt.
शिवानंद सेन गए
So that there disappeared and gone to Vaikunt.
और महाप्रभु
So this is the glorification of Mahaprasad, the remnants of.
फिर महाप्रभु के हाथ से और महाप्रभु के उच्छिष्ट प्रसाद ग्रहण करके
So by the hand of Mahaprabhu,
क्या हो गया?
so taking the prasad, the remnants of Mahaprabhu, he went to Vaikunt.
शरीर में मानो
So with this body, with the body, he went to Vaikunt. Bolo Vrindam Bihari Lal ki jai jaykar ho.
यहाँ पर महाप्रसाद के
So this is the glorification of Mahaprasad. This is the importance of Mahaprasad.
वो कुत्ता कौन था?
That kutta was that king.
वो राजा थे ना।
So that dog was the same king.
उच्छिष्ट प्रसाद
and getting the Uchit Prasad of Mahaprabhus, he went to Vaikuntha. That dog was the same, the king who was serving to the Sant Mahatma. So that's why it is saying Bhaktapad Dulya और Bhaktapad Jal, Bhakta Bhakta Shesh और इससे 3 साधे ऋण बल.
साधक भक्त के भी सिद्ध भक्त के आचरण का अनुकरण किया नहीं. किसी समय अपने यहाँ पर भी कर
Now he is saying
कभी-कभी
sometimes
नित्य सिद्ध भगवान की
the Nitya Siddha Parikar of Bhagwan.
उनकी बहिर् आचरण की
So seeing the external behavior of them,
वजह से ग्रहण करना है.
we should not accept that, we should not follow or copy that. First is one is Anusaran, one is Anukaran. We should always follow but we never copy. So Gurudev is saying here, reciting here for the Sadhak Bhakta
के आचरण का अनुकरण
नहीं करना चाहिए.
किया नहीं.
So Gurudev is writing here that the Sadhak Bhakta, sometimes Vinod one a time, once Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, so he entered to the Narhari Prabhu's Bhajan Kutir.
बंशीदास बाबाजी महाराज
So Banshidas Babaji Maharaj,
चाय का भोग लगाकर
he was offering the tea and he was offering to tea Bhagwan and distributing that.
विनोद बिहारी
And Vinod Bihari,
नरहरि प्रभु की चाय का प्रसाद मिला.
so Vinod Bihari Nar Prabhu got the Mahaprasad of tea Mahaprasad.
क्या बोला?
विनोद बिहारी जी और नरहरि प्रभु ने भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज, विनोद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी मीन्स भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव and नरहरि प्रभु, they both take the tea prasad. Banshivadan Babaji, they went to meet Banshidas Babaji and Banshidas Babaji Maharaj was offered, he took the tea and offered he and distributed that tea to all amongst the devotees. So when Vinod Bihari Prabhu got that,
विनोद बिहारी तथा नरहरि प्रभु
Vinod Bihari and Narahari Prabhu, they got the tea prasad
उसी को प्रणाम करके रख दिया.
and Vinod Bihari took that aside, keep that aside after giving the pranam.
विनोद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी ने की
He didn't take it. He just did the pranam and keep that aside.
नरहरि प्रभु के जिज्ञासा करने
And Narahari Prabhu was so much curious, he wanted to ask, oh Vinod,
आप भी प्रसाद क्यों नहीं
why didn't you take this Mahaprasad? Because you should take that prasad, the tea prasad.
विनोद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी
Vinod Bihari Brahmachari said,
देते हुए कहा
so he giving the example,
महाभागवत द्वारा
Mahabhagavad.
वस्तु हमारे लिए अनुपयुक्त भी हो सकता है.
So the things which is giving by the Mahabhagavat, maybe it is not favorable for us.
जिस प्रकार
Just like
महादेव ने कालकूट
that Mahadev
निष्पाद कर
took the Kalkut wish.
महादेव का प्रसाद है.
So somebody said that this is the prasad of Mahabharata. You can accept that? No, you cannot. Mahadev taken the Kalkut wish because he is capable for that. But so the ordinary person cannot take that. If he used to take and if he thinks to take that poison, so what is that his death is certain. So in this way, for the sadhak, so he has to follow the bhakti shastra. He has to follow the bhakti marga, Vedi marga. Sometimes it seems that Mahabhag, Uttam Uttam Bhagavad, whatever they takes, prasad and etc., we shouldn't take that uchishta prasad. Which we have to take, which remnants we have to take, which we haven't to take, which we have not to take. We have to think on that. Which is maybe the chai is a madak dravya. It's intoxicated, so that's why we shouldn't take that. This is prohibited. Babaji Maharaj can do everything because he's Mahabhagavat, Uttam Uttam Bhagavat. But that madak dravya, the intoxicated things, we shouldn't take that because it is not for favorable for bhakti, for the sadhak jeev. So that's why people used to take the Shiv Prasad, ganja, marijuana, bhang. They have offered to Bhagwan and used to take the. Many people used to do this and saying like this is Shivji's Prasad, we should take that. No, it's not right.
गांजा भांग
Ganja bhang. This is very madak Drivya. This is intoxicated, and we should not take that.
शिवजी जो लिया वो
Whatever Shivji has taken, he is capable for everything.
वर्तमान पुरुष यदि को ले
And the capable person is taking something,
जैसे मानो विवाद
just like
इसमें शिवजी में दोष नहीं लगता
so Shivji will not get fault of that,
आज
because he is capable to take that. But if we take, so we will be offense, and we will not be.
इसमें
So that's why.
उत्तम भागवत की कौन सा विशिष्ट प्रसाद
So Uttam Bhagavats remnants we have to, what remnants we have to take, what we have not to take.
विचार कर
So we have to think about that.
है अब जो केवल सबसे सबका भूमिका पालन करना ही
So for the sadhak, in the sadhak stage, we have to perform the Vedi Bhakti. We have to follow the
साधन में
Vedi Bhakti. So that's why in the Pancham Yan Sadhan it's all described there. Sadhan.
कि कैसे हम
That how we have to,
भगवान की भगवत और भक्त की उच्छिष्ट
that how we have to, what we have to take from Bhagwan and Bhagwan Bhakt so Uchist. So we have to think about that. Externally and externally, internally and externally, we have to, just like it is said, the Bhakta Dhuli. What does it means? The dust of the Bhakta, the water of the dust, the water of the devotees' feet, and the remnants of the devotees. We should take that.
भक्त पद धूलि क्या है
What is the meaning of Bhakta's feet, dust? So we have to follow that. It means that following him, just like we walk. So when we walk, so dust always follow us. In the same way, this is he is giving one example. Bhakta Padhuli means the dust of bhaktas means we have to follow the bhakta,
अनुकरण नहीं
not anukaran. We shouldn't copy them. We should always follow.
भक्त पद जल
Bhakta Padjal, the waters of the devotees' feet. What it means?
उनकी आदेश को पालन करो
We should always follow the orders of him.
और भक्त भक्त श्रेष्ठ
And the Bhakta Shesh is, what is that? The remnants of Bhakta. So we have to accept the bhav of the devotees, Bhakta.
ये सबको विचार
This is the internal views, internal vichar.
इसी प्रकार साधक
That's why sadhak, in the same way sadhak,
साधन भजना करे
he has to perform bhajan and sadhan,
और ये पंचम जाम की कथा
and that's Pancham Yan Katha is
ठाकुर समाप्त
Bhakti Vinod Thakur is going to finish, complete. So we will describe Sakshtayam Katha from tomorrow.
षष्ठ जाम यानी छठवां जाम की साधन
From tomorrow onwards, we will start
भजन भाग
Shashtayam Katha, Shayan Kalin Adhyan.
इसलिए
That's why
भजन के परिपाटी में आपको ज्ञान
so you must have the knowledge about on the tendency of
कैसे
service,
हम भजन करें
that on the tendency of bhajan, that how we have to perform bhajan and sadhan. You should know, you should be aware about all these things. Shri Radhayam Prapte Jnanam Nijasmaranam Kute Lipta Papa Param
सुस्नातं ब्रह्मभीषं प्रियमुखकमलोपपूर्णं प्रमोदं श्रीराधारुणकृतं श्रीमुखमृतं मक्ति मृष्ट स्मरामि मध्याह्न
In the Madhyana
लीला के
Leela, according to the Madhyana Leela,
काल में
in the Aprana Kal,
श्री राम ने अपने घर में जाकर
Shri Radha went to her home,
स्नान कर
take bath and took the rest.
धर्म का अपने प्राणात श्री कृष्ण की दशमती आदेश के अनुसार फूल केली एवं अमृत केली इत्यादि नाना प्रकार के उपहारों के प्रस्तुत किया तथा वन से व्रत को आते ही प्रियतम की मुखकमल के दर्शन कर पूर्ण कमल को प्राप्त हुई इधर श्री कृष्ण भी
And here Sri Krishna himself, with the Gop and Sakhas, so he was coming towards Vraj. On the way, he took the darshan of Srimati Radha Rani and he met to them Krishna. This is wait. Good, they will describe now everything briefly. When Krishna was while returning from cow grazing, at that time the gopis, so Gopi was on the way and she was so much excited for taking darshan of face of lotus feet of Krishna. When Krishna was going to cow grazing and when he was returning back, so at that time gopis, she was so much enthusiastic and she was so much excited for taking darshan of Govinda. Kutil kundalam Srimadhan Tapakathamritam. In the Gopi Geet it is described. Oh भैया आरती की तैयारी करो. गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. Krishna iti. Thank you for tolerating me. Hari bol. Ask him, Gurudev. Arrange the 6th yam start today. Tomorrow. The 6th yam will be start tomorrow. 6th yam. अक्षोभ्य परमहंसे शिष्य बलि अंगीकार करे धर्म नाम परिचय मत से ज्ञान सिंधु तरी दाहित विदया निधि तारा दास विद्या निधि नागेंद्र होते कर जया धर्म नाम परिचय परंपरा जन बल मते दासे ख्याति श्री पुरुषोत्तमायति तदा हईते चले दो हईते माधवेंद्रपुरी. अरे माधवेंद्रपुरी वर शिष्य वर श्रीश्वर नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत विभु ईश्वरपुरी के धन्य कोरी लेना श्री चैतन्य जगत गुरु गौर महाप्रभु महाप्रभु विश्वम्बर प्रियंकर श्री स्वरूप दामोदर श्री गोस्वामी रूप सनातन प्रिय महाजन रघुनाथ कवि कृष्ण दास विश्वनाथ तम सेवा पर Vishwanatha Jagannath Baladeva Jagannatha. Okay, Hare Krishna. Now we are going to start the Tulsi Puja. So if you want to take the darshan of Tulsi Puja, so you can go to the Hindi broadcast page. Okay, Hare Krishna. Thank you for tolerating me. Hari Bol. Jai Shri Gurudev.